What is wind energy and how do windmills work? Unequal heating of the land mass and water bodies by solar radiation generates air movement and causes winds to blow. This kinetic energy of the wind is called wind energy. This energy is used by windmills to rotate the blades and generate electricity. A windmill consists of a structure similar to a large electric fan that is erected at some height on a rigid support. A number of windmills are erected over a large area, which is known as wind energy or windmill farm. Let us study how a windmill generates electrical energy. To generate electricity, the rotatory motion of the windmill is used to turn the generator shaft through a gearbox of the electric generator, which converts the mechanical energy to electrical energy. The output of this single windmill is small, and for the commercial purposes, a number of windmills are placed over a large area. This is called wind energy farm. Wind energy is an environment-friendly and efficient source of renewable energy.